How often do you consider where you store your business data? What do you know about the difference between private and public data centers? Stay tuned to discover the distinctions between the two and learn why it's valuable to be informed about all your options when it comes to storing and protecting your data. Public data centers, like AWS, offer two major benefits to businesses: affordability and scalability. They work on a pay-for-what-you-need model, so you avoid upfront costs like buying and installing equipment. You can easily scale usage up or down. Public data centers are a cost-effective, secure option for businesses that need flexible data storage solutions. Alternatively, private data centers cater perfectly to industries like healthcare or finance who have unique or special requirements for data storage, like cybersecurity compliance. Private data centers offer unparalleled control over your data and its security. Private data centers are expensive though, requiring the upfront cost of the equipment as well as the cost of the team to maintain it all. But they offer complete control and oversight of your data and its security with zero resource sharing. Don't know which one to choose? Enter the hybrid approach, using both private and public data centers. This solution allows you to keep sensitive data in-house for security purposes, while capitalizing on the flexibility of public data centers for the rest. Consult with one of our IT specialists to find the best fit for your business by going to the link in our bio.